Hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few 4 marks problems. So these are very important problems, and these problems are repeated in intermediate public examinations. ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ని ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ నైబర్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. వితౌట్ డిలే కమింగ్ టు టాపిక్. See the question number 5. Tan theta plus secant theta equal to root 3, and also the given interval, that is 0 is less than or equals to theta is less than or equals to 2 pi. So means we need to find the solution. That solutions are lies in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Now the given trigonometric equation tan theta plus secant theta equals to root 3. We know that tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and also secant theta, which is the reciprocal of cos. So we can write 1 by cos theta equals to root 3. So we can take LCM on LHS side. So clearly both denominators are same. We should add the numerators. That is sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta, which is equals to root 3. So you can write root 3 by 1. So we can do cross multiplication. That is sin theta plus 1, which is equals to what? Root 3 cos theta. You can set sin theta on right hand side. It becomes root 3 cos theta minus sin theta, which is equals to 1. So clear which is of the form a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c, where a is equal to root 3, that is quotient of cos theta, and b is equal to minus 1, that is the quotient of sin theta. Now we should divide both sides with under root a square plus b square. So which is what? Square root of, what is a? Root 3. Root 3 whole square means 3 plus b square, that is minus 1 whole square. It becomes 1. So which is what? Root 4. Clear, this value is 2. Now we can divide this equation 1 both sides with 2. So clearly this equation 1 becomes root 3 by 2 cos theta and minus 1 by 2 sin theta, which is equals to, on right hand side also we should divide with 2, that is 1 by 2. Now clearly we can write root 3 by 2 in terms of sin or in terms of cos. So anyone we can write. So root 3 by 2 write in terms of sin. Here we can write sin 60 degrees. That means sin pi by 3 into what? Cos theta. Minus 1 by 2 can be written as in terms of cos. That is cos 60 into sin theta, which is equals to 1 by 2. Clearly, which is of the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. You know that sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is sin of A minus B. That is sin of pi by 3 minus theta, where A is pi by 3 and B is theta. Again we can write right hand side 1 by 2 value is sin 30. You know the sin 30 can be written as sin pi by 6. Now which is of the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha. For sin theta equal to sin alpha, the general solution is theta means pi by 3 minus theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. What is alpha here? Pi by 6. This is the general solution for given trigonometric equation. So but they given interval. So in that situations, you need to find the solutions by using integer values. Now, First, if n is equal to 0, so what will you get? Substitute here pi by 3. We know that pi by 3 value is 60 degrees minus theta, which is equals to n is what? 0. 0 into pi. 0 plus minus 1 power 0. 1 into pi by 6. Pi by 6 value is 30 degrees. Clearly from this, theta is equal to what? 60 minus 30. 30 degrees. We can write as again pi by 6. If you substitute n is equals to 1, so here what will you get? If n is equals to 1, substitute in the above equation, that is 60 degrees minus theta. N means 1. 1 into pi means pi. Pi means 180 degrees minus 1 power 1, that is minus 1. So minus pi by 6 value 30 degrees. Now clearly 60 degrees minus theta is equal to 180 minus 30, 150 degrees. Therefore, what is theta value? 60 minus 150 minus 90. So clearly they given 0 to 2 pi means positive, but here negative. And also tan 90 not defined. So clearly theta equal to minus 90 is not possible. Therefore the possible value is theta is equal to pi by 6. So this is the solution of given trigonometric equation. See the next sixth question. Here also they given interval. Means you need to find the solution of given trigonometric equation. So you can consider the given trigonometric equation. Cot square x minus root 3 plus 1 into cot x plus root 3 equals to 0. So which is cot square x multiplying cot x inside of the bracket minus root 3 cot x minus into plus minus 1 into cot x. It is minus cot x plus root 3 equals to 0. Clearly from the first two terms we can take cot x is common. So what will you get? Cot x minus root 3. From the second two terms we can take minus 1 is common. That is minus 1 of cot x minus root 3 equals to 0. Again cot x minus root 3, cot x minus root 3 is common. That is cot x minus root 3 into cot x minus 1 equals to 0. So product of the terms are 0. We can write each term as 0. That is cot x minus root 3 equals to 0. Next one, cot x minus 1 equals to 0. From this cot x is equals to root 3. From this cot x is equals to 1. Here no need to write general solution. If you write general solution also you will get the same values because of they given only 0 to 90. So you can find directly cot x is equal to. So root 3 write in terms of cot. See here we know that cot 30 value is root 3. Therefore what is the x value? 30 degrees. 30 can be written as pi by 6. And here cot x equals to 1. So write cot x is equals to cot 45. So what is the x value? Clearly directly 45 degrees. So means pi by 4. Therefore the solutions are pi by 6 comma pi by 4. See the question number 7. So this is very important questions. Here tan of pi cos theta equal to cot of pi sin theta. Then prove that cos of theta minus pi by 4 is plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. See here given tan of pi cos theta which is equals to cot of pi sin theta. So clearly we have the formulas for general solution of given trigonometric equations are what? Sin theta equal to sin alpha, cos theta equal to cos alpha, tan theta equal to tan alpha. Clearly from this we can observe the both left hand side and right hand side ratios should be same. But here left hand side is a tan ratio and right hand side is cot ratio. So you can convert the both left hand and right hand side trigonometric ratio is same. Now clearly we know that cot theta, this can be written as tan of 90 minus theta, that is pi by 2 minus theta. We know tan of 90 minus theta is what? Cot theta. Now which is tan of pi cos theta. How to write cot theta? Tan of pi by 2 minus theta, that is tan of pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. Now clearly which is of the form tan theta equals to tan alpha. Clearly the general solution for this trigonometric equations are theta equals to n pi plus alpha for all n belongs to Z, where theta is equals to what? Pi cos theta, which is equal to n pi plus alpha. What is alpha value? Pi by 2 minus pi sin theta. So you can send minus pi sin theta on left hand side. It becomes plus pi sin theta. That is pi sin theta plus pi cos theta, which is equal to, clearly what is the LCM? 2 cross multiplication, 2 into n pi, 2n pi plus pi. In both the terms pi is common, so pi times of sin theta plus cos theta, which is equals to, again in both the terms pi is common, that is 2n plus 1 by 2 into pi. Clearly pi get cancelled. So clearly which is sin theta plus cos theta is equals to 2n plus 1 by 2. Clear which is of the form a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to c. So a is equal to 1 and b is equals to 1. So this is the equation 1. So for equation 1, you should divide both sides with what? Root a square plus b square. Now see here, divide both sides with under root a square plus b square. Clearly, what is the value of a? 1 and b also 1. Means 1 square plus 1 square, which becomes root 2. Now clearly for equation 1, you should divide with what? Root 2. So the equation 1 becomes 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta. On the right hand side also you should divide with what? Root 2. That is 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. So once you observe the answer in terms of what? Cos. So you can write the given equation into cos terms. So means you can write cos of a minus b. You know the cos of a minus b formula, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now we can write, this is first cos theta and this 1 by root 2 in terms of cos again, that is cos pi by 4. And write next one this is, and write next one this, that is plus sin theta into what? Again 1 by root 2, right, in terms of sin only, that is sin pi by 4, which is equals to 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Clearly that formula is cos of a minus b. So which is cos of theta minus pi by 4, which is equals to what? 2n plus 1 by 2 root 2, where n is what? Integer. But here, what is the right hand side value? Plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. For finding the value of that, you can consider if n is 0. Now what will you get? Cos of theta minus pi by 4 equals to 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. That is 1 by 2 root 2. And one more, you want minus 1 by 2 root 2 also. For that you can consider minus 1. 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1. That is minus 1 by 2 root 2. It means for n equal to 0 and minus 1, you will get plus or minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next question number 8. Find all values of x and x should be not equal to 0. And the x values lies in the interval minus pi to pi. Means minus 180 to 180. Satisfying the given equation. 8 power this one is equals to what? 4 cube. Now given 8 power 1 plus cos x plus cos square x and so on, which is equals to 4 cube. We know that 4 cube value is 64. Again 64 write as 8 power 2. Because of left hand side base also 8. Clearly the both base terms are equal. So power should be equal. That is 1 plus cos x plus cos square x and so on, which is equals to what? 2. See here one of the formula. Since 1 plus x square and so on. So this can be written as 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 1. And this can be also written as 1 by 1 minus x simply. Now, in place of x, what is the value? Cos x. So clear this formula is what? 1 by 1 minus cos x equals to 2. So interchange these two, which is 1 by 2 equals to what? 1 minus cos x. From this you can write cos x value. That is 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 write in terms of cos. That is cos x is equals to what? Cos 60 degrees. That is cos pi by 3. Clear which is of the form cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Since cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then the general solution is theta is equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha for all n belongs to Z. Clearly theta is equal to x and alpha is equals to pi by 3. Substitute x and pi by 3. That is theta value. X is equals to 2n pi plus or minus alpha value pi by 3. Now we can find the solutions because of the given interval. For the finding the solutions, you can consider n is equal to 0. Substitute here, what will you get? X is equal to plus or minus pi by 3. These are the solutions of given trigonometric equation. For next session, we will discuss more problems.